Asunto-osakeyhtiö Irjanpirtti.
Really cozy also. I love these tiles here and the wooden interior.
Yeah.
It's on Aleksis Kiven, 14. Sticker C and the film stickers in the here. I'll just check that one. That's beautiful. It's also built in 1988. Turning 35 years old this year in 2023 and still traction. Only 2 floors and no indoors, and the green button here. But for some reason this takes A and B. The floor one button is not green, but could have been.
Yeah.
The same was H65319. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2024. And it's in Kerava, Kerava, Finland, Aleksis Kiven region, and let's take 2 rounds here. I love the smell in it.
Same.
Yeah.
Inspekteert wijsbestand met een passion.
Yes, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please also watch the status A and B here.
That's